Hello everyone, I'm Tabitha Rabbits. Now I'm Trinidadian and recently I've moved to the French-speaking Caribbean country. It's called Guadeloupe. One of the good things about moving to Guadeloupe is that the children have a nice outdoor space to just run around and play in. So that's the plus, because before, when I was renting apartments, there was really no green outdoor spaces. It was just like concrete. So now there's a beautiful green garden and lots of trees, and it's just a lot greener. And then we have this big balcony where we can just eat, we can just sit, relax, and take in all of the good air. It's like the air. Yes, it's so amazing. I'm so happy. It's really nice and cool as well, because the house is made of this lovely material. And yeah, it's a house, no more apartments. Buy apartments, bye. I'm leaving that in 2019. Anyway, yeah, so there's so many different things. Like, oh my god, the children hated the food at first. Like, they hated some things, like not everything. Like the new thing that has been really different here, the driving. They drive on the, oh my god, on the right side of the road. I have to do this thing with my foot to know left and right. Yeah, so they drive on this side of the road instead of like on the left in Trinidad, and then the wheel is on this side of the road. So it's crazy. What else is different? I think the whole thing with the cheese at the end of every meal. I don't do that all the time. Like, yeah, I was gaining weight. Like, I feel like every time I travel somewhere, I gain weight, and yeah, I really need to start exercising a bit more often. Anyway, yeah, the children don't really like the different kinds of food. I mean, they grew up, with Trinidadian food, awesome, amazing, tasty Trinidadian food. So now we're here in this new country, there's this new language, there's this new food, everything is so different, and yeah, so I needed to start cooking some Trinidadian food from Trinidad and Tobago. Oh yeah, like I've never been more proud, like, not more proud, I've never been prouder of Trinidad and Tobago. Like, I'm Trinidadian, I'm from Trinidad and Tobago, and yeah. This is a Trini girl right here. Okay, I think that's enough praising my awesome country. Okay, that's it right there. Trini people! I cannot believe this. I speak zero French. Tried learning French, I think maybe once on Duolingo. Was it Duolingo? Yes, I think Duolingo. That was like years ago. In school, of course, I learned Spanish, and I think yeah, I was really good at Spanish in school, but you know what, I did not practice, so of course now I'm very rusty at Spanish. Anyway, we're speaking about French here. I've moved to this French speaking country, Guadeloupe, knowing zero French with my children, so it's major. It's like it's a lot. So I'm using the French learning app, well, the language learning app, Babel. It's really good, so far I've reached the newcomer course level 3, so I think I'm making some progress. I know some words, Bonjour, bienvenue a mi YouTube. Oh, not me. Oh my god, here I go talking Spanish again. Oh my god, I keep doing this, Okay. How do you say? You say bienvenue. What do you say? Oh my god, you see how rusty my French is? Anyway, so I've moved to Guadeloupe, and oh my god, so many things are different, I have to say. It's a lovely country. I've moved to a beautiful part of Guadeloupe. It's in the countryside. So around me, I'm just surrounded by a lot of greenery, a lot of trees. I can see the ocean from here. It's beautiful. It's a really amazing view. And yeah, I really like it, except for the language, but I'm learning. I'm making progress in learning French, so by the end of the year, I think I can manage speaking French. Language problems here. But ultimately, I'm so happy that I moved here. You know, there are so many things that I wanted for the children, and one of them was to be, you know, multilingual. And I know all of the schools here in Guadeloupe, they teach, well, the French students, they teach them English, they teach them Spanish. Yeah. So now they already know English. Now they just have to know Spanish and French. And we're in a French-speaking country. We basically have no choice here but to learn the language if we want to communicate effectively with everyone else. And I absolutely hate not knowing a language. Like, I've heard other people speak languages before, and I'm like, oh, I just wish I knew the language. They could be saying things about me, like, you know, like, I don't know. But it doesn't actually matter, whatever. Yeah. So moving here, oh my god. I have to say, I've moved to different apartments before, but I've never moved to a different country before, especially one with this huge language barrier, okay? So I'm trying Babel out. I think it's really good. I think I'll stick with Babel. Are there any other language learning apps that you think is really good? Do you think I should give it a shot? Do you think I should try something else? I mean, I really like Babel, you know? They give you little reminders every day on what, you know, like your progress. If you haven't like done anything on the app for the day, they'll send you a little email saying, hey. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tabitha Rabbits. I'm a girl. I'm a girl from Trinidad and Tobago, and I moved to Guadeloupe